guys, I welcome you again on my channel. So as in previous videos, we discuss about that is what is internet and what is IoT. So now you might be familiar with the term IoT, that is Internet of Things. So in this series, we are not going to focus on the theory part. We are going to perform everything live. On YouTube, you might have seen different videos related to IoT, but they all are animated videos. But here we are going to perform the live things. We are going to make the systems. We are going to implement IoT. So now you will see a little example, that is what is Internet of Things. Then we will discuss some more theory of IoT. Then we will start the whole practical work. We will discuss different type of boards, that how to make simple a beginner level IoT system to an advanced level IoT system. We will implement IoT using cloud. We will use different type of boards, for example Raspberry Pi, Nodemcu, Arduino, etc. So now you will see a little demonstration of what is IoT. We will make a LED automated so that we can switch it on and off from with the help of internet from any part of the world. So now you will see a simple IoT demonstration. Now for this demonstration we are going to use Nodemcu. So Nodemcu microcontroller has inbuilt Wi-Fi module, as you can see. So as we know, for IoT we need to connect to internet, so we need Wi-Fi module to connect to internet. So now in this demonstration I will automate this 3-volt LED. I will connect this LED with this microcontroller and connect to the internet, so that we can operate this LED anywhere from the world. So now I will make the connections and you can see I can operate this LED through internet from anywhere in the world. So now what we are going to do is make connections. So I will connect this LED. You can find the information about connections in description. So I connected this LED with microcontroller. Now what I will do, I will connect this microcontroller with my computer. So now the system is ready. So now what I am going to do is I will write the code for the microcontroller to operate this LED. So now I will write the code. So as you can see, we have done with our code. So now what I am going to do, I am going to upload this code to our board. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to tools. You select the port, COM port you are using. Here my COM port is COM port 5. So again go to tool. Now select board, that on which board you need to upload your, you need to go to boards and select Nodemcu 1.0, as we are using here Nodemcu 1.0. So now select the board Nodemcu, as my board is already selected. So now what you need to do is simply to click on upload button. So now you can see processing is going on. You can see here. So now as you can see on the screen, code is getting uploaded on this microcontroller. So now as you can see, we are done with our uploading. So what we need to do, we need to press the, first of all you go to your computer and switch on your hotspot. You can connect with your mobile hotspot, you can connect with your any laptop or any other tablet, any other. Switch on your hotspot. As you know, we are connecting with internet, so you need to switch on your hotspot, and in code here you write your SSID and password. By SSID means your hotspot Wi-Fi name and password of your Wi-Fi, so that your system can connect to internet. So now what you need to do, you need to go serial monitor, and over there when you will press the reset button, you will see that your system will connect to the internet. So as you can see on the web also connecting to A, that means it is connecting to your hotspot. When Wi-Fi will be connected, server gets started. You will get a URL on your screen. So what you need to do is what this URL means. As in the definition I told you that you need to get a unique identifier and make your object to communicate through internet. So now this IP address is the unique identifier for this LED. This is the unique identifier for this LED, and now it will have the ability to transfer data over net. So what you need to do is you need to copy this IP address and then you need to go to your browser, or you can go to any browser. So now paste the copied URL in the browser. When you will paste and enter, you will see a page. A simple HTML page is used to create on-off buttons. So now we are on browser, and from here you can see when I will click on the button on, your LED will glow. You can see on the screen. When I will press the button off, you can see the LED is off. So now I am operating this LED from a web browser wirelessly and with the help of internet. So you can see again on, off, on, off, on, off. So similarly you can connect anything with this. Not only the LED, you can connect anything you want, a 5-volt bulb, a 220-volt appliances, your home, refrigerator, TV, anything you can connect. I will show you anything else which you, so that you can know. I will remove the connection of this LED and I will connect a buzzer. So you can see here buzzer is, I connected buzzer in place of LED. So when I will place off, buzzer is off. When I will place on, buzzer is on. So guys, this was all about the simple demonstration of IoT. This is IoT. Operating this buzzer with the help of internet from any place is known as IoT. So guys, अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, and I will tell you about different microcontrollers in this IoT series. I will cover the theory part as well as the practical part, and after completing this series you will be knowing a lot about IoT. So thank you. See you next time.